Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Santa Claus here from the Touchdown Trades Studio and Trading Dungeon. We're here today and I've sent my top elf to find you guys the top 2 penny stocks to put in your stocking this Christmas. What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, home of your trading BFF in your stock market bestie. In today's video, I got a letter from the North Pole and Santa Claus himself sent me the top 2 penny stocks to buy right now. Stick them in your stockings. These 2 penny stocks have massive growth potential. They follow the Touchdown Trade standards with massive growth opportunities. So in today's video, we're going to be breaking these 2 penny stocks down. We're going to talk about the company's business model, the fundamentals. We'll break down the chart, go over the technical analysis, and put price targets, buy zones, the whole 9 yards on these 2 penny stocks. All right, guys, let's break down the top 2 penny stocks to buy this Christmas. Let's get it. All right, let's talk about the top 2 penny stocks to put in your stocking. Let them sit there for a few days, and hopefully when you come back Christmas morning, you open your stocking up, and these stocks have gone to the moon. All right, but before we get started, check out the link in the description. I got an early Christmas present for you guys. The best broker out there right now, WeBull, great desktop platform, awesome customer service. They're offering the Touchdown Trades community 4 free stocks valued up to $3,700 when you sign up for a new account with the link in the description. Deposit only $100. You will get 4 free stocks valued up to $3,700. That is legit free money. You can't beat that deal. Check out the link in the description. You don't want to miss out. Before we get started, guys, we just got to break down this MVIS real quick. Microvision. This is a stock that we talked about in the last penny stock video, the top penny stocks to invest in for 2021 video that we did about less than 2 weeks ago. And this thing was trading down here under $4 a share, and it has since ripped up more than 150%, and it broke highs of $8 this morning. An absolute monster win for the Touchdown Trades community. So if you're not yet subscribed, you need to hit that subscribe button to catch these monsters with the Touchdown Trades crew. An absolute insane winner. We had put like a $5 or $6 price target on this for 2021, and it just absolutely took off. This is a LiDAR stock that is in the business of autonomous driving, robo-taxis, and that's why we wanted to get involved with it, but we did not expect it to make this move. So we've already pulled off some profit in this $6, $7 range, and we're just gonna hold on to a small piece and see what happens. But an absolute monster winner here with MVIS, and hopefully we got 2 more monster winners with these penny stocks we're gonna break down right now. And let's get right into it. Penny stock number 1, COTY, Coty Inc. This Coty Inc. is a little bit different versus the penny stocks, the tech companies that we normally invest in. But I'm telling you guys, this company is extremely undervalued in my opinion. Let's talk about why. Let's talk about who they are first. So Coty Inc., they make and develop these beauty products, fragrances, makeup, color, hair color, and they work with some really gigantic companies such as Alexander McQueen, Burberry, Calvin Klein, Chloe, David Doff, Gucci, Hugo Boss, Kylie Jenner, Lacoste, Marc Jacobs, Gucci, Nikos, Tiffany & Co. Just some absolutely huge companies. Beckham, who else? CoverGirl, Sally Hansen, 007, James Bond. So this company makes some of the beauty products, the fragrances, the cologne, the perfume for some gigantic companies out there. Some really blue chip companies, Gucci, Tiffany & Co., really big companies. And this is a stock that was at one time, it looks expensive right now. If we take a look at the chart, it looks expensive. It's ran up from under $3 all the way up. Right now it's at $7. But if we take a look at the monthly chart, this thing, or we'll look at the weekly chart, this thing was trading at $32 a share just a little more than a year ago and a couple years ago. and we sold off all the way down, and we're currently trading at $7. So there is still a potential for a couple 100% in the COTY, and let's talk about why I see that potential. Their Q1 2021 earning report absolutely crushed expectations. They demolished expectations. The Q1 results were above expectations. Market trends and Coty sales improved in all regions: China, the US, Europe, across prestige and mass businesses. Strong profit and cash delivery. We'll talk about the metrics. We'll go over the numbers in a second. But this company is just straight out a value buy. It is too cheap. Strong improvement of capital structure. Expanding their presence in China. This is something I love to see. We all know how big the Chinese market is. And if a company can expand in China, they can literally double their revenue. And if Coty can get into China, and they're already in China, but if they can expand that Chinese market share, then we're talking about huge growth. We're not just talking about a value stock, we're talking about a growth stock as well. So they're broadening our prestige portfolio across categories. Skincare now 20% of our China prestige sales. Top Gucci counters monthly sales on par with leading prestige beauty brands despite smaller cosmetic assortment. So they're keeping their product line narrow for Gucci, but they're seeing a big demand for the Gucci products. They launched the first Gucci makeup, and the Gucci lipstick sold out within 2 hours. All right, so let's talk about why I want to buy this company, why I want to invest in this penny stock. We have a market cap of $5 billion right now, which is it's a pretty hefty market cap. It's not necessarily a penny stock, but it is still too cheap in my opinion. It's a stock trading under $10 a share, so I decided to throw it in this video. We have a market cap of $5 billion, but look at the sales. Sales of $4 billion. That is absolutely too cheap in my opinion for a company that's earnings per share is expected to grow as fast as this company. So we have a price to sales ratio right over 1 and an earnings per share growth expected next year of over 200%. The earnings per share growth was over 70% this year, and the earnings per share growth quarter over quarter was 500%. So I think this company, if they can expand their market share in China, they can keep that earnings per share growth going. The revenue is there. We're looking at a company that is too cheap, and I think this climbs back towards where it was trading a couple years ago, up near $30 a share. And this is really promising right here. We have the executives of the company buying up stock like hotcake, which shows that they have faith in the company. They're not just there to get a paycheck. They're putting their money where their mouth is. We have the chief corporate affairs officer. This lady, she's buying up hella stock at the $7 area. She bought, we'll say, maybe $1 million worth. And the real buying was done by this guy, bought $6 million worth. Right here, a director, Jonathan Hughes, on November 20th at $6.20. So what I want to do is I want to wait for a pullback. Take a look at the chart here. So I want to wait for a pullback on the COTY. Let's go back to the daily chart, take a look, and I'll show you my plan, my investing plan for the COTY. All right, so I got the 1 year, 1 day chart pulled up here, $6.20. That's my buy target right there, where that director bought 1 million shares. It's going to be hard for that stock to get back under that $6.20 area. Tons of volume traded in that area. That's going to be our support. We're going to have the 200-day EMA creeping up, scooping us up, and trying to launch us higher. I'm not 100% sure that we will get that pullback into my buy zone, but I'm going to wait. Always stick to the plan. Remember, we talk about this every video. Stick to the plan and you'll be successful. Doesn't matter if you get one wrong. Doesn't matter if you get 3 in a row wrong. If you stick to the plan and you always follow the plan, respect your stop, respect your buy zone, respect your profit target, you will make money long term. So my plan is buy the dip at $6.20. My profit target's going to be up around $9.50, $10 a share, and I'll stop out if it crashes down towards $5.50 or $4.50, I'm sorry. So that's my first penny stock to buy this Christmas. Put it in your stocking and watch it grow. Let's talk about my second penny stock to buy Christmas of 2020. Penny stock to buy number 2 is going to be GoPro. And I know you're thinking, wait a second, Kevin, you guys talked about this way back here. You're already up over 100% on this thing. Why are you still buying it? Because I think it still has more room to go higher. Sure, I want to wait on a pullback. I want to buy it down here at the 750, 775 area. But let's talk about why I think GoPro has potential to get back some of the loss, right? It's never going to get back to where it was years ago when it first IPO'd. We're going to need a monthly chart. We'll go to, here we go. So it IPO'd and it ran up all the way to $98. And then it's since crashed. We're only trading at $8.50 right now. But I do think GoPro could be a $20 stock in the next year, maybe 2 years. Reason number 1, GoPro is no longer just targeting the outdoor hikers, fishermen, hunters who needed a waterproof camera, kayakers, boaters. Now they're targeting vloggers as well with the GoPro Hero 9. They have options to put a microphone up there, a flip screen so you can vlog with it. They have the vlogging handle, and they're just targeting vloggers. So they've opened the door to add more customers. Great idea by GoPro. This Hero 9 is a good step in the right direction. But that's not why I'm so high on GoPro. GoPro posted a record online sales from Black Friday and Cyber Monday. They said it pushed their subscriber count above 670,000. That is why I want to invest in GoPro. They know that they can't just make money. They can't just be a camera company. Yes, you need to have a good product. You need to have a good camera, target vloggers, target the outdoor people, target the hikers, the fishermen, the hunters, but then you need to keep selling. You need that reoccurring revenue. You can't just sell a camera to somebody one time every 3, 4, 5 years. The subscribe, that's where the real money is going to come. Software as a service, cloud storage. Right now it's just cloud storage, but pretty soon I envision, this is what I envision, I don't have any insider knowledge of this, but I envision GoPro having a cloud storage, having a video editing suite, having a Photoshop style suite, an Adobe style suite with GoPro, where you can just load your stuff onto the cloud, use a basic video editing software to get your videos edited, and I see that being a $20 a month subscription per customer. They have a couple million subscribers down the road. We're talking about a completely different company. Instead of being a device company, they're both a device company and a software as a service company. So I think this thing is too cheap at these levels. Sure, it's made a nice move. We need to be careful. We need to stick to our buy zone and not chase, but I still think there's room here. I think GoPro could be a $20 stock in the next 12 to 24 months. So we had sales of $1 billion, market cap of $1.2 billion. So that price to sales ratio is looking pretty tasty, and a forward PE that's looking good as well of 13. Let's jump back to the chart and I'll talk about my investing plan with GoPro. Pull up the 1 year, 1 day chart and we can see, hide my ugly face, and we can see that we've ran up nice. We need to wait. We need to wait for a pullback. We have tons of support. Look at the volume on this support level. That's how you know a support area is valid. If it has high volume, it's a valid support area. See this stuff right here? That's not very high volume, so I would not consider that to be an extremely valid area of support. But this support right here at about 750, extremely high volume. It's going to be hard for GoPro to crash back under that level. So that's our buy zone right there, 750. And I want to buy that dip, and I'm holding for $20 per share on this GoPro. They're turning it around. They're changing their company's business model into becoming a software as a service company, and that is great for GoPro. I think the future is very bright for this company, and I want to invest in it in the next dip. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the top 2 penny stocks to buy this Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everybody has a good holidays. Doesn't matter if you're celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. Get yourself some penny stocks. Enjoy the holidays. Spend some time with your family. Take a couple days off. And we'll be back when the market opens up. I'll try to post a couple videos even though the market's going to be shut down. I'm still going to be at it. So hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Check out WeBull to get your 4 free stocks. 3,000 plus free money, up to 3,000 plus free money. Don't miss out on that free money. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.